Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Spotify application, and then you need to click on three dots and click on edit and go into the preferences, and here you need to scroll down and you simply need to enable this show local files, and you simply need to enable show songs from downloads and music library also. Once you done that, you simply need to come into your library section and click on local files. So these are all the songs from your PC that are added into the Spotify. So let's suppose I want to add it into my favorite, so simply need to click on three dots. So you can add to any playlist that you are created. So here you can see all my playlists. So this is a simple process by which you can easily add songs to Spotify that are not on Spotify. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.